सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Yes, I've just reached. Just entering the building right now. Yes, you know. Bachelors don't get houses easily in Mumbai. I found one person who wants a PG. He's an uncle, but he stays alone, so wouldn't be a problem. Hello. Hi, uncle. I'm Roshan. Mishra ji has sent me.
For PG?
Yes.
Come in. This door is not automatic.
What?
You have to close it.
Oh, sorry, uncle. 1 minute.
Close it. This is our hall, and kitchen is over there. Come with me. This is the bedroom. This is your bed. This is my bed. And this is a bathroom.
Okay, uncle.
Just a minute. Before you get very comfortable over here, I'll explain the rules to stay here. Rule number 1. Socks should always be in the shoes, and shoes should always be in the rack. Rule number 2. I should not find your clothes lying anywhere over here. This cupboard is yours, and the other cupboard is mine. No clothes should come from this side to that side. Rule number 3. Once you wake up in the morning, fold your bed sheet and your bed should be tidy. Rule number 4. My soap, shampoo and towel should not be touched by you. And rule number 5. After taking a bath, the tap should be closed properly. You should not waste water. And rule number 6. Before leaving the room, do not forget to switch off the fans and the lights. Got it?
Okay, uncle. This uncle is so strict. Where did I get stuck? Hey, uncle. Why are you sweeping?
Oh, why am I sweeping the floor? You should be sweeping the floor. Here, take it. Hold it. Well-mannered boy. I will just take a bath and come.
But uncle, I wanted to ask that maid didn't come.
If I could afford the maid, I wouldn't have kept a PG.
And yes, clean the floor nicely. There should be no dust here and there.
Jaya Hanuman Gyana Guna Sagar Jaya Kapishatiyu. What is this?
What happened, uncle?
Hey, what is all this on your face?
It's a face pack, uncle, to brighten your face.
Brighten the face? I had told you to brighten the house, and you're brightening your face?
I have swept the floor, uncle.
Oh, really? Is it? All the dust is sticking to my feet, huh? And you tell me you have swept the floor? Come on, do it properly. Floor should be crystal clear, okay? Lentils are cooked.
Jai Bholenath.
Hey, so you're done with your bath? Why don't you fry the lentils? Till then I will knead the dough, okay? What? You don't know how to cook food? If you want to stay here, you need to cook food. Okay? Roshan, you do one thing. So, you chop the onions and tomato. Hold it.
Uncle, I'm not here to become master chef, but an actor.
Be an actor. But first chop these vegetables.
He is like a typical mother-in-law. And he's thinking me as a daughter-in-law. Am I here to do some odd jobs?
No job is big or small. Sometimes to do a small task, we have to neglect big things in life. That's why each work is important. Because of which, we are less dependent on others and our confidence increases. Who knows, little things we learn in fun can come used for a greater purpose in life.
Roshan, this is the way you chop. Come on, show me. Hey, show me the knife, not the wound. I will teach you how to chop the vegetables. Now observe me. Got it? This is the way to chop the vegetables. If you learn to chop vegetables, you will become an actor.
Yes, mummy. What? What? No, I can't hear you. I will go near the window. Just a second. Hello? Yes. Okay.
If you are going out, please come home on time. Are you going out?
Yes, uncle.
If you are late, then do not come back. I mean to say that you can stay somewhere else because I sleep at 10 o'clock at night. And the main door will open directly in the morning.
Uncle, if you could give me a duplicate key, then...
No. That's of no use. Because I close the door from inside and sleep. The one going out, please come on time.
I hope uncle has already cooked the food. Oh, he's making it right now. Now I will get trapped. I should just go from here.
Done with the meeting?
Yes, uncle.
Okay, I've made the parathas. What you need to do is cut these vegetables.
Uncle, I will quickly take a bath and come. Just 2
Hey.
minutes. Just 2 minutes.
He's absolutely good for nothing. I think I'll have to do it. Okay, let's start. I've been thinking of visiting my village for a few days.
Seems like a nice idea. I will be able to stay peacefully for a few days.
Did you say something to me?
Good night. What's wrong with this now?
He's always up to loud acting. Looks like the fan's wire is burned. Are you just going to lie down or do something about it?
From where will I get an electrician late at night?
Only 2 wires have to be connected. Just connect them.
Uncle, I don't know all this wire stuffs, okay?
Hey, then what do you know in the world? Okay, do one thing. Go and get the ladder. And while going, just switch off the fan. Move.
I couldn't find the ladder, so I got this stool.
Oh, stool. That's fine. We'll manage. Just keep it over here. Just hold this. Screwdriver, please. The other tool. Okay. So connect this wire to the other one and that one to this one. This is done. Yes, it's done.
Dear Roshan, if you don't become an actor soon, this uncle will make you an electrician or even a maid.
Just hold this. Now take this tool and keep it outside. And also switch on the fan.
Now what happened?
Guess there is a problem with the fuse. I'm sure you don't know how to make a fuse. No problem. Come on, I will teach you to fix a fuse. Come with me. Come on, make it quick. Come with me. If I have learnt it, even you will learn it. Come. Listen, Roshan. A man should know how to fix these small things in life. Even I have learnt. Even you can learn. And that is the reason you should know how to fix this. Okay, so we have reached over here. Now just hold the candle for me. Roshan, just hold the candle. Roshan, hold the candle. Roshan. Where did he go? Roshan. He didn't follow me, is it? Idiot. Okay, I think I'll have to manage all by myself. Yes. Okay, where's it? It's done. I don't What is he going to do of himself? Absolutely good for nothing. Let him sleep. Can't expect anything from him. Let's sleep.
I think food is cooked. Uncle? What is Uncle doing? Uncle, are you going somewhere?
Hey, I told you I'm going to my village.
Oh, yes. Good. Let's rest for a few days. Should I help you, Uncle?
No, I'm almost done with packing.
Okay. I'm feeling hungry. Let me go and eat something. Let me wash my hands. Done. It's nothing. Even this is empty. Where is the food?
Okay.
Uncle, you have not prepared anything. What if you get hungry in the way?
Why? I won't get food on train.
No, of course you get. What will happen about my food?
Okay, I'm going to leave. Or I'll miss the train. Okay, listen. Take care of the house. Taking care of the house is your responsibility.
Yes, uncle.
Huh.
If I order food from hotel, how will I go for the audition tomorrow? If I travel in the bus, by the time I reach there, I will look like a ghost. It's very difficult. I got shortlisted. I have to cook now. How do I need the stuff? I can't do all of this, yeah. I'll just drink milk and go to sleep.
Food is the most important need of our life. That's why every person should know how to cook food. And why only cooking? Such works which we need to do in our day-to-day life, we should definitely try to learn them so that we don't need to bother anyone else for small works. I've seen it many times. People know how to drive, but they don't know how to change stepney. Rather than learning these things, we try to avoid them, and then we get in a bigger problem, the same way Roshan is facing.
No problem, Roshan. To become something, we have to sacrifice a lot. Sleep at least. For a few days, you got rid of Uncle now. I can sleep peacefully. What happened to this now? Oh, I don't understand. How to connect the wires. Let me just try this one first. God, please start the fan, please. Please. Shit, yaar. How am I supposed to fix the light now? I did not even see where Uncle went that day and what did he do. Such a fool I am right now. Looks like I have to spend the night like this. Oh shit! Mosquitoes bit me. How hungry they were. Once I get selected in this final audition, I will leave from here. Then I will take a nice sea-facing flat. Stop dreaming about the flat first. Try to fix this one. Hi, sir.
Hi. You take this. This is for you, and this is for you.
Thank you, sir.
Actually,
Sir, brief.
okay. Hey, the casting guy is our friend, so no tension. You just give the audition properly. The character is about Govinda, like hero number 1. Just act like him.
Hey, no problem. That character is ingrained in me, you know.
What are you saying?
Yes.
Okay, then give your best.
Okay.
Prepare it.
Okay.
See you.
What they know that this role is mine. Poor people working in vain.
Next.
Hello, sir. Hi, I'm Roshan.
Hi, Roshan. Hi. Okay, Roshan. After having said the dialogue, you have to do fine chopping of these vegetables. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Ready?
Okay, sir. Ready.
Action.
I will cook such a food that people will eat their fingers along with the food. If I make something for everyone, then the impression will be good. So for uncle, I will make vegetable kebabs. Yes.
Cut it. Bro, you tell the dialogues very nicely. Your selection is confirmed. But chopping is not done like this, bro. What are you doing?
Sir, one chance.
Last chance. Now just do chopping and show me.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Ready?
1 second, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Action. Cut it, man. Bro, you let it be. You won't be able to do anything.
Sir, please, one last chance, sir.
Dude, you don't know just a small thing like chopping?
Sir, please give me a little time. I will learn everything, sir.
Dude, I don't have time only. All this should be learned in advance, my brother. Next.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Ashutosh. Hi. Ready?
Ready.
Action.
Life gives us a chance to learn and do everything, but it depends on us how we see that opportunity. The way it happened with Roshan, life gave him the perfect chance, but he thought, what these small things has to do with my acting career? But because of these small things, he lost the biggest opportunity he got in his life. Whatever you want to become in your life, doctor, engineer or scientist, you should always remember one thing, that while becoming that, no one should stop you at any moment. At times we learn great things in life, but we leave the small things which are attached to them. And sometimes these small things holds us back. And at that time we only left with regret that I wish I had learned this thing earlier. I humbly request you all, from now on, if any work comes in front of you, then please don't miss the opportunity to learn that work.